the lush, isolated Trobriand islands of Papua New Guinea, dance is not merely entertainment. It is a living archive of ancestral memory, a ritual of connection, and a spectacle of identity. Among the many expressive forms found across the islands, the Wosimwaya, often referred to as the circle dance, is the most emblematic and widely performed traditional dance. Wosimwaya, which translates to old songs, is more than choreography. It is a genre of dance passed down through generations, believed to originate from the ancestors themselves. Each village has its own variation, with subtle differences in rhythm, movement, and ornamentation, yet the core structure remains consistent. Dancers form a circle, moving in unison to the beat of drums and chants, their bodies swaying in hypnotic patterns that echo the cycles of nature and community. Performed by Nakabakwabia, young unmarried girls, and Tokabakwabava, young unmarried boys, the dance is often featured during festivals, rites of passage, and communal gatherings. Children and adolescents are especially encouraged to participate, reinforcing cultural continuity and social bonds. The dancers wear vibrant calico skirts and matching shirts, sometimes adorned with feathers or shells, creating a visual harmony that complements the rhythmic unity of the circle. The movements are deceptively simple, gentle steps, swaying hips, synchronized turns, but they carry deep symbolic weight. The circular formation represents unity, eternity, and the collective spirit of the village. The songs sung during the dance often recount mythological tales, historical events, or moral lessons, making each performance a vessel of oral tradition. Interestingly, the Wosimwaya has also become a focal point in discussions of cultural authenticity and tourism. As outsiders increasingly seek primitive spectacles, Trobrianders have had to negotiate how their dances are presented. Some performances now blend traditional elements with Polynesian-inspired movements, especially during women's fellowship meetings or public festivals. This fusion reflects both adaptation and resistance, a way to assert identity while navigating external expectations. Despite these shifts, the Wosimwaya remains a cherished cultural expression. It is danced not for spectacle alone, but for healing, remembrance, and joy. In its rhythm, one hears the heartbeat of the islands. In its circle, one sees the continuity of a people who, despite modern pressures, continue to dance with the spirits of their ancestors.